Today I want to talk about the various ways that you can register people for conferences. The first thing to note is you can start registering people by sending them a registration link. The registration link can be found under Quick Start and Setup right here. What you need to do is you need to copy this registration link and send it to your participants via email, social media, or other means that you have to register participants. That registration link will open a registration page, which, as you can see, has the title of the conference as well as the date and time, which they can change to whatever date and time is applicable to them. They put their name, their email, comments, and then register for that event. So that's one way that you can register participants. Also note that you can register participants by simply typing in their name, typing in their email address, and clicking register. So if you've got 5 people to register, for example, it's pretty easy just to type their names in, type their email addresses, and register them, so they'll automatically receive the registration invitation. So those are the first 2 ways to register people: sending them the registration link or manually inputting them one by one into the registration section. The second way to register people is to upload participants. The way that you do that is you go to Callers and Pins, and from Callers and Pins, go to this Actions tab and click Upload Registrants. What this will do is it'll set up the Upload Registrants template for you to follow. The template page will bring up something like this, where you've got these boxes that you need to put in order to register people. Remember that this registration template has to be exact, so custom 1 has to be lowercase. There can't be a space between that custom and 1 or that custom and 2. It has to be exactly like this. And remember, if there's no role, it's going to be considered a participant. You need to put their name, you need to put their email address. You don't necessarily have to put custom 1, custom 2, company, location, or Twitter. You can leave all of those blank, but you definitely have to put name and email. And remember, if role is absent, it'll just be a participant. Then you would upload a spreadsheet, which you would choose a file, preview it, and then upload the registrants. What that'll do is that'll send the registration invitation to all your participants. They won't have to use their registration link or register themselves, and they'll automatically be registered for the event. Note, if you want to register participants using this little pencil, which will bring up their name and an email address, and you click OK, that does not, and I repeat, does not send them registration information. It simply puts their name in for a particular PIN and a particular number. If you want to register people this way, you're going to have to copy and paste this phone number as well as this PIN, email it to them or send it to them by another means, as well as copy and paste the social webinar link that they may be using or you may be using for your event. So those are some ways to register individuals. Send them the registration link, put the information into the registration link for them, or finally upload registrants for your event. I hope that helps you register participants for your events.